The Roel House, a collaborative vision of Felipe Assadi, Francisca Pulido, and Isaac Broid, stands as a testament to innovative architectural design. Its unique H-shaped structure, formed by three interconnected pavilions, defies conventional housing layouts. Two parallel wings, one fronting the street and the other nestled at the rear of the property, are joined by a central connecting volume. This clever arrangement creates a dynamic interplay of spaces, offering both privacy and a sense of openness. The pavilion closest to the street serves as the heart of the home, housing the shared living spaces, the living room, dining room, and kitchen, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere for gatherings. The rear pavilion, in contrast, is dedicated to the more private realm of the bedrooms, providing a sanctuary for rest and relaxation. The connecting volume acts as a bridge between these two worlds, subtly transitioning from the vibrant social areas to the tranquil personal spaces. What truly sets the Roel House apart is its seemingly floating structure. The entire H-form is suspended, supported at the rear of the sloping site. This ingenious design not only maximizes the usable area, but also creates a series of captivating courtyards nestled between the different sections of the house. These courtyards become intimate outdoor retreats, seamlessly integrated with the interior spaces. A lush, vibrant garden further enhances the connection to nature, weaving its way beneath the elevated structure from the street all the way to the back of the property. This verdant landscape softens the architectural lines and creates a sense of tranquility, transforming the space beneath the house into an unexpected oasis. Tucked beneath the H, cleverly concealed from view, are practical additions such as parking spaces and a multi-purpose workshop, ensuring that functionality is seamlessly integrated with the overall design aesthetic. Ascending to the roof of the Roel House reveals yet another layer of ingenuity. The flat roof has been transformed into a multifunctional space, housing terraces, gardens, and even a swimming pool. This elevated vantage point offers breathtaking panoramic views of Mexico City, making the rooftop a truly special place for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoying the cityscape. The Roel House, with its floating structure, integrated gardens, and rooftop amenities, is more than just a dwelling. It's an experience, a harmonious blend of architecture and nature. And that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.